Hello everyone, this is Saif again. Today, as I promised, I will show you how to make the long shadow effects with some animation too. That will look like this. So let's start. First of all, you add your image or video. Now add the text. To one more thing, I will here give you a tip to adjust the size of this rectangle as per the text. Instead of making manually, there is auto option. If you click this, you will see now this rectangle is as per the size of the text. Now next step is we have to add the shadow. Go to video effects, nature, and there will be shadow. Now this is the basic shadow that has been added. You can see a little bit on the back. Now we have to change the setting. First you will go here, long shadow. We will change it to true. It's already true because I used it previously, so it is true. Now we will play with the length of the shadow. You can see this center. You can hide and show the center by clicking here. So you drag the center and now you can see. You can move it wherever you want. So this is how you create a long shadow effect. Now the one I created, I will create here. I made it up. Now the next step, what we have to do, we have to add the effect of the text. Click on the text again, go to text effect and recoloring. And from here select from the start of the scene. Whenever you have to add the transition for the beginning, you have to click from the start of the scene because default transitions are applied at the end of the scene. When you want for the beginning, use it from the start of the scene. So click it, resize for around 1 second. Now if you play, you will see the effect. It is going from end to the start, so we will change it. If you come here, processing order, click the drop down and here you will see from first belief to the last. Now if you play it, okay, this is disappearing. We have to make it appear. It is because here it shows fade out. We have to make it fade in. Now play. Now you see. And the same thing, you can copy the effect, paste at the end of the scene and change the setting to fade out and from last to the first, this one. Now it will do the reverse. See, so this was the first effect that I created. Now the second effect that I created, let me show you. I will add another text. That was number 1, for example. Again, I will adjust my text, go to shadows, go to video effect, add the shadow for whole parent duration, show or hide the center. Now you can see. Now to keep it exactly in horizontal line, instead of doing manually, we will go by here automatic. You can add 180 angle. If you put 180, now this is straight line, and for the distance you can add from here. Shadow distance, right now it is 200, I will make 500. Now you can see. But in my video, if you see, it was a 3D shadow. So to create a 3D shadow, you will copy the same shadow, paste again. Now it is showing the shadow right under the same shadow. So we will make it down because it is same color. We have to change the color first. Go on the right here, change the color. For example, I make it black. Now you can see. You can create 3D shadow like this. Now to create the third effect that I did, let's add another text. Adjust your text. Add the shadow. Now, because I need it from down, pull it down. Okay. Now we will add animation to the text. So go to transition, push from the scene beginning. Okay. Now for the setting, because I previously used this effect, so settings are already set, but I will let you know. In the type, there are options: door, side stripes. You will use side. For mode, it will be top to bottom, because I'm using from the scene beginning, so that's why it will go opposite, top to bottom, but it will appear from bottom to top. Then rest will be the same. So if you play, it will be like this. Now we have to make the shadow become shorter, so I will add another shadow, but with the same effect. First we will copy this shadow, add at the end of previous shadow. All we have to do is change this distance. So right now distance is 875. We have to change it from 875 back to 0. So for that you just add semicolons. You can see here semicolons and 0. Press enter. You can see 875.17 semicolon 0, and it has also changed to inclined line. So if you play, it will be like this. But we don't want exactly 0. We will change because we want to leave some shadows. So I will make it like 3 pixels. Now to keep it till the end, copy the same effect, move it till the end, and now keep it only 3 pixels. Remove all other, and the distance keep 3. You can see. So now you see it will look like this. Shadow goes smaller and it stays still at 3 pixel. Now from here you can add any other transition for subscribe text to hide. So that's all for today. I hope you like it. If there is any question, you can let me know, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you.